Welcome back to syncschool.com. Synchronize with today's technology for your education institution. Offered by Nadkoda Consultancy Group, the having vision of making technology work for your institutions. Now, in this tutorial, we are going to explain you about a configuration. How you can configure any type of forms you can generate for your education institutions. So we have options in configure, so forms. So in this form we have categories, field list, section and template list and form. So let's study each one step by step. Categories are those for student form is in one category, and for employees form is in another category, and for non-teaching form is in another category. So you can generate n number of categories through add here. So for example, if you want to add a new category, so you need to add name here, sorry, a leader. So you are creating a form for a leader, a class leader. So means his previous year detail, you are asking some detail about form, so you can generate that class leader a form here. So this is a categories, you can add a number of options will be there. So next will be fields. So here, so these are the fields. So for example, name is the field, middle name is another field, last name is another. These are the fields, and sections are those. This a personal detail is an one section, and next present course detail is an another, and previous course detail is an another section. These are the sections. So you can generate a n number of sections through this section model. So through here, so you can add sections. So once you added sections here, so you can link that fields. So for example, this is a one section. In this you need to ask a fields. So how we are going to ask these fields? So through here, so these are field lists. So you can generate a number of fields here. So if you added fields here, so then just you have to link that fields here. So even you will be having option to add fields directly through here. So or else you'll be having option, and once you select here, so that will link to that sections. So once a section is ready, we need to link that one to templates. So these are the ready-made templates available now we have set up. So each sections almost we have converted to templates. Why we need to convert to templates? Because we need to interlink this one to forms. For example, in student list, if you are adding a create students, so that a form should link through these forms. So for on that basis we have created template list and form. So in simple, forms are interlinked to templates, and templates are interlinked to sections, and sections are interlinked to fields. So let me show you one demo here. So if you want to change anything status here, just as a title is not available here, if you want to add a title to this form in personal details, so you can go here templates. So in the template student information, in the student information, and you can just select title, and if you select a save, then this data will be saved in this. And even if you want to change anything in present course detail and previous course detail, you are free to change. You everything power in your hand to change the details. So let's look here. So this is a page is before where it's not having title here. So just I will going to reload this page, and title has appeared here. So this is how it's going to work. Even if you want to change anything here, you can also having a power to change. For example, a present course details, you don't want to ask here, for example, a section. So in this present course detail, you don't want to ask a section. So we have to go to templates, student information, and that is a present course detail. In this you will be having a fields which is are presenting there. So if you don't want to ask here a section, so you have to select here a section field. So if you unremove this section, so data will save there. And if you go and cross check here, so section is available now in present course detail. So let's reload this page. So now in present course detail that section has gone. So this is how you can customize as per your requirement. You can generate a n number of forms as per your requirement. And one more thing I want to explain here. For example, if you want to ask or add a Aadhaar number here, so how to add Aadhaar number in personal details. So first you will go to here, so templates and student information and student information, and here there is no option of Aadhaar number. So what is a process, what to we need to add that to come there. So these are the fields are available now. So if you want to add more fields in this, so you need to go to fields first. You need to add that field as a Aadhaar card number, so as it's added here. So again we have to link that one to sections. So in this section for student information you have to link. So once if you link here, so these selected items will appear in templates. So this is how this all are interlinked between from forms to template, templates to section, section to field. So I think you may have doubt in forms. So what is this form and what is for useful? So these are the forms now available. So this will make a directly link to there. So for example, if this is the student information, in the student information we have linked a student template. So we have selected a template name in this. So once you click here where create a student, so it will automatically link to that template and it will appear here. And one more option will be also getting there. You can also provide this application form in your website, and you can also integrate the same thing anywhere in your school or in your computer and anywhere in your website. So this is all about a configuration of creating a forms. Thank you for your time.